In case your house has a pretty large basement area or crawl space under the building, there's a high chance of mold buildup in the area because of excess moisture. That's also a very common situation in under construction sites where moisture can create big problems. Well, all of such situations can be easily handled by using a commercial dehumidifier that can keep the humidity levels under control. There are many products available to choose from. Best commercial dehumidifier, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best commercial dehumidifier from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vremi Dehumidifier. The first product on our list comes from a reliable brand known as Vremi Dehumidifier. This model is capable of removing 50 pints of moisture per day. It is ideal for spaces with area from 3,000 square feet to 4,500 square feet. This humidifier is specially designed to be stylish and convenient to use. It has a clean and sleek look with inbuilt handles and wheels. As it comes with a quiet fan, this dehumidifier can complete its job without generating any noise. It comes with simple user-friendly settings and features. It runs continuously 24 hours till the tank fills up, and after that it will automatically shut off. For more convenience, it comes with drain hose for draining. It has 1.8 gallon of water tank with water level indicator. Some of the additional feature of this dehumidifier include turbo, timer, filter and continuous. Pros. Easy to clean filter. Inbuilt handles and wheels. Number 2. Aloe Air Commercial Dehumidifier. In case your region has extremely humid conditions and you are looking for a powerful dehumidifier, do consider options from Aloe Air as they are all an ideal choice. The Aloe Air Sentinel HD55 model holds the second position in this list because of its impressive build quality and advanced features. This dehumidifier is a perfect option to pick to use in tightly sealed areas like basements, since it can even work in high temperatures like 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Although it normally removes 55 pints per day at ham conditions, in the case of saturated conditions, it can boost its performance to remove up to 120 pints per day without an issue. This dehumidifier is an ideal option for floor area up to 1,300 square feet, since it uses a decent fan that runs at 130 CFM. Pros. Highly durable and long-lasting. Easy to install. Power-saving and eco-friendly. Number 3. Waycar Commercial Dehumidifier. Waycar is an amazing brand choice to pick if you are looking for a high-quality commercial dehumidifier that's portable and easy to use as well, since all its offerings are like that. Speaking about this particular model, we have placed this one in third position in this list, as it is loaded with features and comes at a really interesting price point. Its design is pretty elegant and perfectly ideal to use indoors. That said, it can effectively remove up to 130 pints per day from a floor area up to 6,000 square feet. If you are concerned about the features, this dehumidifier is equipped with a 24-hour built-in timer function, auto defrost, and also has a power outage auto restart function as well. Number 4. Kulsar Commercial Dehumidifiers. Kulsar is one of the trustworthy brands for providing reliable and efficient dehumidifiers. Among their wide product range, Commercial Dehumidifier has grabbed a place in our list because of its efficiency. It can remove 164 pints of water per day, which makes it suitable for warehouses, archives, studios, gyms, wine cellars, basements, and other commercial spaces, with up to 7,000 sq.ft. It is also suitable for water damage restoration after a leak or flood. This humidifier comes with a large digital display which provides insights on current humidity levels, desired humidity range and others. It comes with auto off and auto start features. So, it automatically turns off when the humidity is reached and automatically turns on when the humidity increases. Number 5. Bluedry Commercial Dehumidifier. Lastly, we have a commercial dehumidifier option from Bluedry that comes for a really competitive price as compared to other options on this list. We would say this dehumidifier is also quite a powerful option, since it's capable of extracting up to 150 pints in a single day from the air. Moreover, the working area of this dehumidifier is mentioned to be 2,000 square feet. Apart from that, it comes with an automatic water pump to release out the condensed water via its long drain hose that comes attached to it. The best part about this dehumidifier is that it comes with 4 wheels, which makes it a highly portable option. If you look at the top of this dehumidifier, you will find a digital panel that comes in handy to adjust the settings and for real-time monitoring as well. It has both RH and temperature sensors built in that help this dehumidifier control humidity and maintain it at a certain level. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.